First of all, I would like to explain how the core model approach is working. It starts by an analysis. The customer will define the biggest and most complex entity where Absys Cyborg Global Solution is going to conduct this analysis. The objective of this analysis is to analyze all the processes and practices from an ERP point of view. In order to do that, various workshops are going to be conducted for each module: purchase, sales, production or project, within the local team, global team, and of course Absys Cyborg Global Solution. Once workshops are finished, the customer and Absys Cyborg Global Solution will be able to identify what's going to be standard, so part of the core model, and what will be identified as a gap. A gap is something that's going to require specific adaptation. Thanks to the core model approach, the localization need and the specific adaptation have been identified. I would like to explain the difference between localization need and specific adaptation. Localization needs are all the rules and regulations implied by a country, such as the HMRC for the UK, or the SII for Spain, the e-invoice for Italy, or GST for India, also tax calculation for Brazil or the US. While specific adaptation is more from a customer point of view, such as reports for the sales team, output for vendors or customers, or any development that supports business operation. Regarding localization needs, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central is offering localization package. This package offers various functionalities that are mandatory for local entities and implied by government. If a localization need is not covered by Microsoft localization package, Absys Cyborg Global Solution will create and implement this functionality using their development methodology. On the other hand, specific adaptation is something that is not standard to Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Therefore, Absys Cyborg Global Solution is going to create and implement that functionality using their development methodology. We just explained how the core model approach is working, and it is now important to explain why it is crucial for businesses operating in various countries. The core model approach is aiming to standardize and unify all the processes within the group. It also helps to identify the local needs. A customer who aims to operate in various environments or different countries needs to be able to identify their global processes and local requirements. Therefore, the core model is crucial. It allows the global entity to work in different countries with various cultural, language, or currencies to provide the same quality of data, work, and reports within the group. At the same time, it allows each individual entity to be able to answer all their needs without affecting other entities. This is why the core model is crucial for businesses aiming to operate abroad, and this is why Absys Cyborg Global Solution is the team you need.